Hi, my name is Jason, and this is a video for Rapid Solution Lab at the Impact Canada. A little bit about myself. I've been working for Canadian federal government for over 5 years as a business analyst. Here I had a chance to work on quite some number of bilingual documents from English to French and vice versa. However, translating documents are not always fun because it's not just about language itself, but also a lot of time there are many works after that, including fixing formatting, aligning boxes, doing the bolding words, fixing the broken layout, etc. So I always wonder if there's something that can help me to translate text easier, faster, but still compliance with the government data privacy policies. So that's what I'm bringing you today, a fully localized AI-based translator. The biggest thing here is the security, and it will always be. The tool will be completely run on your computer or government platform, which means the data will never leave your machine. And therefore, 100% data security. The program can potentially not just save the government budget, but also saving government employees from doing repetitive work. How does that sound? Let's dive into it. So we come to the front end here. On the very top, we have a big text box here that allows you to drop in your PowerPoint slide files. So here I'm gonna put in mine, and I'll show you the comparison afterwards. So this is an English file. So here in the language section, I'm just gonna from English to French. If you have a French file, you can do the vice versa. And I'm gonna do English French here. And here you can choose the model. I got a 4 model list here. 2 of them are available. So the bigger is actually the better. However, it's also slower as well. So here, 8B, 14B, 32B, and 235B. It stands for 8 billion parameter, which is on the, is their training size. So I'm just gonna put 8B here for demo purpose. And please note, so all the models are run locally, so there will be no data leakage here at all. So the next section is called custom glossary. It's used when you have special translation needs, for example, your team's name or your program's names. If you want them to be translated in specific French terms, that's where you're gonna put it. So you can manually add them in here, or you can upload like what I'm going to do here. I'll upload a file that's in JSON file, and I have 3 terms in there. So here I have a legislative branch, which is under the parliament, right? So if I want them to be translated specifically different terms, that's what I'm gonna put it. And this term I googled up. It's been used during the French Revolution, which if you ask AI to do the translation for you, they will not be using this term. So I will compare the result from it and let you know. And everything is set right now. So we're just gonna hit translation. So we're back to this. Now the translation is completed. So I'm just gonna hit the download translated file here, and that'll be should be should be should be downloaded right here. So I'll be checking out those I'll be checking out those files for you to have a comparison here. So let's take a look at the how the result is going to be. I have the both files open already. So here we have on the top we have the English file, and the bottom we have the French file. It preserved all the layout, it preserved like the decoration and like the maples here. And also if we take a look at the second page here, the second slide, I mean everything just in alignment. So the bold in the title, and also you have the bold in specific terms, federal state here, and also it aligns all the highlight words as well. Also, at the same time, if you remember, we just had a glossary here on the 4th page here. So legislative branch, executive branch. So they're translated according to our specific needs as we put in the glossary terms. I would say this is a successful translation. What do you think? Let me know how you think about my product. Thank you so much for your time, and looking forward if you have any suggestions. Thank you.